Hi everyone, this tutorial is on how to manage Microsoft bookings from your Outlook on Windows. Here is how you will do that. Left click the More Apps icon in the navigation menu. Scroll down and left click on Bookings. It will show up on the navigation bar. However, it's temporary. You will still need to pin it there. Right click on Bookings and then left click on Pin. Now you can completely manage your Microsoft bookings from your Outlook without going to the browser. A quick question for you. Are you interested in the training to help you take good control of your emails, tasks, and projects and effectively use your computer, smartphone, and mobile devices? TurnerTime has a training program for you. Go to our website, turnertimemanagement.com, and schedule a complimentary consultation meeting with TurnerTime. You can also send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463. And we look forward to being of service.